Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Calendly link and connect it with your Google Meet so that you can easily schedule appointments with clients or potential clients. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on Get Started. Then let's enter our email. Then grant it access to your Google account. We can pick these options. So on my own or with my team, we can click on, let's say I'm a starting freelancer. So let's just do on my own. What is your role? Let's say my role is consulting. Then we can connect it to our Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or Exchange Calendar. I use Google Calendar, so I'm just going to connect it with that. When you allow this, Calendly will be able to see, edit, share, and permanently delete all the calendars you can access using Google Calendar. Calendly already has some access. See the 3 services that Calendly has access to. Continue. Okay, so it's already connected. Once it's already connected, just click on Next. Then you can pick what times are you available to meet people. So for me, it would probably be 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. So I'll just copy paste all of that here. Then I'll click on Next. Let's pick Google Meet. And since I'm already signed into my Google Meet, let's try to test it. Let's copy this link. All right, so I've opened an incognito browser. So let's test the link to see if it works. And let's try to book a dummy call. So let's say that I'm gonna book a call for the 21st. Let's pick 10:30. Click on Next. Let's enter a name. Then let's just put an email here. Then please share anything that will help prepare for our meeting. So if you have a client, maybe you're going to ask, please let me know your budget, or it could be anything in the agenda, like, please let me know the details of the project. Then click on Schedule Event. Then there you have it. You have a confirmation that you are scheduled for Monday, 10:30 p.m. So let's just check that quickly in the email confirmation. So once you get a confirmation email that will look something like this, you're going to use this link to meet with your client or potential client on the time and date. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Please use your Calendly link on your portfolios, your resumes, or what have you, so that your potential clients can easily book a call with you if they're interested in working with you. If you're just starting your freelance journey, this Ultimate Freelancers Kit is for you, and it's your shortcut to sounding confident, closing deals, and landing clients. So here's what's inside. You're going to get Instagram templates, LinkedIn and Facebook outreach scripts, cold email and follow-up templates, discovery call questions and scripts, proposal templates, response scripts, freelance contract templates, retainer pitch scripts, and so much more. So it's perfect if you're a beginner freelancer, you're a virtual assistant, social media manager, designer, or basically you're just starting your freelancing journey and you want to take the guesswork out of reaching out to clients. You can purchase the product through the link in the description.